the JSON-L file from Google Drive after it was stored there. And then it's in this funny format of JSON-L. So once we get the file, we got to loop through all that and push data records out. So when it comes to the Google Sheets API, it needs a certain format as well. There's some flexibility, but basically what I want to feed to it is what row I want to update, which column do I want to update within that row or rows, and what is the value? Well, it's the keywords that came from ChatGPT response, right? So then once it builds that into this so-called data array, I'm now saying custom sheet API batch, feeding it the data. So here is the payload it does, similar to what we saw in the HTTP request on make.com. It has some options that it builds, including the payload with all the good stuff in it. And then it does a call to this other program. So if I go to the other program, it looks like this. Let's do a quick hack again so we get more real estate, which I think is this one, right? Yeah. Click that. Click. Delete element. Okay. So here, the do post is executed. It's retrieved in this event. It takes the information and does a batch update sheet where it needs a sheet, spreadsheet ID, the sheet ID, and that data array thing is populated in here, which is a function here. So it takes this function will then take all those, it will take the updates, that data array that was passed into it, and split that up to have a sheet ID, which row, which column, and what are those values. So the Google Sheets API is being invoked here with its batch update. So again, what does that all mean? Practically, it means instead of seeing this row get populated, then this row, then this row, even though it may appear to go quickly, boom, 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 one at a time, what if you have hundreds or thousands or tens of thousands? The batch just does it. So in summary, if we go back to make.com, we did mention, go to